Ayan, nag-full yung phone ko na isa. So, ito na lang muna. Gamitin natin pang clips. Ay, taray. Hindi naman Mother's Day, pero ayun, parang ako yung bida-bida this time. Sabi ko, it's Father's Day. Ikaw ang mag-alaga sa mga bata. Nag-breakfast lang sila. Tapos aakyat sila mamaya para magbihis for swimming. Kasi 9:09 na. So, yeah, push. Tagal na rin nila sa labas, ah. Ang init ng kape. Sometimes. Sorry. So, ayan, meron ako nitong Karawan Bakery na tinapay. Kahit kainin mo lang na ganito, guys, malinamnam siya. Kailangan ng butter or jam. Perfect siya sa kape. So, ayan ang breakfast ko for today. Minsan, pag nasasobrahan ako sa tulog, yung boses ko is garalgal siya. Wait lang, tumatawag yung asawa ko. Ay, hindi. May tumatawag sa phone niya. Delivery? Hello? Kabisi. But brother, we are not home. We will be home after 12 o'clock, okay?
No problem. I'll send me your location after 12 I'm coming in Kabisi, okay?
Okay, okay. So, ayun, pinapasan yung location. Kaso hindi ko ma-open. Hindi ko alam password ni Habibu. Iniwan kasi niya yung phone niya kasi dead bat. So, dapat lang. Kasi para mag-banding silang mag-aama. Ayan tayo eh. Solo moment yung inang yarn. Parang mali. Parang bastos yung pagkakasabi ko. Parang dilim. So, ayan. In-adjust ko lang ng konti yung exposure. Pero, dilim pa din. Ang sarap.
To his father. He got
Nice view. Ay,
I know. I was gonna say that in case of like a robber wants to hide.
Hi, brother. Can I have 2 towels, please?
2 towels.
504. What time is it, brother?
10.
10 o'clock. Okay. Thank you. Geneva, there's Mickey.
1 hour early. It started 1 hour earlier.
Yeah. I forgot my glasses. Ang init. We're gonna catch one. Which one you like there? The blue?
I like this way.
Oh, this one.
I love you, Mama.
Yeah. Look at the sheepy. Sheepy or camel? I think camel, no?
Mama.
Okay, let's go. May bike rental din sila. Oh. Hala, wait, I need to find my glasses. I just...
We were playing on the swing and we were playing on a boat.
Ayan, papunta na kami sa pool. Oh, there's a love you here, Alpha. Can you take a picture of me there at the love you? Bisyosa.
There's a shark, this is log, and this is flat.
It's funny, right? Hindi kami kaasal, laki ng bag ko.
Mama, they're looking at you.
Who?
Them.
This is one?
Yeah.
Ay, kinabukod yung nose na. Gigil mo ako, friend. Natatawa ka. There is available? Okay, let's go. May mga tao na madami na actually. So, ayun mga bebe ko, magpapalit lang ako kasi gusto ko mag-swim kahit mga ano lang, 30 minutes hanggang 11. Kasi time check, it's 11. Ano ay 9:20. Ala, hindi rin. Pero sige lang, push. Wait lang, di ko alam kung anong unahin ko. Yung sa ilalim. Pag-swimming man lang, first time ko kasi dito. So, kailangan mabinyagan. Yung pwedeng mag-inarty friend. Di bali nang umitim. At least may memories. Push. Okay, mamaya na. Ayan, nakapag-swimsuit na tayo. Same pa din naman. Hindi na kasi ako nagdala ng iba pa. Ito mas decent. Ito lang yung pinaka-decent na swimsuit ko na ano, hindi bikini style. Pang ano siya, pang sports. Magkukumpit yarn. Hindi, syempre, dito tayo sa UAE guys, eh, kailangan ano, bait-baitan tayo. Like, look at that. Sa beach lang tayo magbibikini. Nakakahiya eh. Mga lokal kasama mo. Pero push, let's go. Majinit. Ang ganda ng weather, mga bebe ko. Ang sarap. What happened? Minsan kasi si bebe girl na-stuck siya dun sa ano. Sa pool ba? Ay, sa water. Tanggalin ko siguro to. Okay, I'm done. Actually, tawag doon, nag-slide ako tapos nag-swim dito sa malalim. Kaso, sobrang lamig pag umahon. Ayan. Tamang langoy na lang ang mga person. Banding overload ngayong Father's Day. Lalim kasi niyan kasi baby girl nakahawak. Hindi dumidikit yung glasses mo. Parehas kami hindi marunong mag-load. Lumulubog. Ayan mga bebe ko, sobrang natutuwa and nakahappy ako na panoorin silang magbanding doon na tatlo. Kasi syempre, it's very rare na makasama namin talaga si Habibu. So pag may ganitong chance and opportunity, wala. Masaya yung puso. Parang ang drama ng person. Pero yeah, ito baon ko to. Binili ko sa Bacala kahapon. Hindi talaga ako bumili dito. Pinanindigan. Grabe sila mag-banding. Oh. Wait, videohan ko nga. Ang layo ko lang kasi ang daming tao. Nandun sila sa malayo. Ayun, mag-aama. Kaso nakatingin si Habibu eh. Ayan, tanggalin ko na lang yung mga tao dyan. Pero nandun sila sa pinakadulo. Wait. Ayan, banding overload sila dun. Ayun si baby boy. Baby girl. Run, run, run! Mainit! The floor is lava. See you on Friday. Check out time. Takot din si mama eh. There's no electric.
This morning it was.
You felt it? Yeah, use your feet.
I think it's gonna be this one.
This one, I think. Oh, yeah. I'm not sure.
Yeah, but no, because sometimes if you press that, I think open that one. 1, 2. What's the one we said is the first one?
Ayan, ngayon ko lang na-videohan yung interior. So, walang tao. Ayan, check out time. Ay, nako, nauna na si Pepa. Baby girl, come. Mauna ka kasi maipit yung bata. Alpha, mauna ka na. Tulak mo. Dito na kami, together. Baby girl,
Mommy and Jenna be bonding time.
Yeah. Okay, go to the door. Go, go, go out. Go. Mga takot yarn. Fit check. OOTD wagas. Only until the first parking. Hindi pa, you don't trust me, babe?
If I'm in the car.
Really? You're so weak. I will drive going down Geneva. You should have brought your roller shoes. And then we will roller shoe on the way down.
That's when we're gonna show Mama all the techniques.
Yeah,
You have
that
to
Papa
stop.
told you.
If you won't have one, well, see you in hell.
Oh my gosh. You're almost done with the book. We need a new one. Oh no, after exams. Exam this week for you also, right?
From the Alburn, you could come to the bar.
I'm not sure. They have the different entrance.
I saw like a family coming. Because it's connected to like a bar.
Actually, we could have let them spend more time.
Why? We have to extend. It's beautiful. I like the color. When we go to France, it's all green.
I'm gonna take a picture. It takes like 30 in one go.
It's lagging, Alpha. You have so many apps. Maybe you have a virus.